Imagine walking into your house, but instead of furniture, each room is filled with the answers to your exam. Sounds crazy? Well, Sherlock Holmes did it, and so can you. This is the Memory Palace technique, a mind-blowing way to remember anything, even entire textbooks. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share a bonus tip Sherlock never talked about, but memory champions swear by. Let's get into it. So, what is a memory palace? It's a mental map, a place you already know well, like your house, your school, or your route to class. Instead of stuffing your brain with random facts, you place information inside this location as mental objects. For example, say you're studying biology. You could place a giant cell model on your couch, a mitochondria-shaped lamp in your kitchen, and a DNA strand dancing in your hallway. The weirder, the better, because your brain loves bizarre stuff. Now when you mentally walk through your house, the visuals trigger the information instantly. It's like turning your brain into a museum where every object has a meaning. Why does this work? Your brain is wired to remember places and images, not random text. That's why you can remember the layout of your school, but forget what you just read 5 minutes ago. The Memory Palace hijacks that natural ability. Here's how to build yours in 3 steps. Step 1. Pick a familiar place, your home, school, or even a video game map. Step 2. Create a mental route. Walk through it in the same order every time. Step 3. Place vivid, funny, or emotional images tied to what you want to remember. Review it daily, and boom, you'll recall complex info in seconds. Sounds like magic, right? Well, here's the twist. Most people mess it up by making their images too normal. That's where the bonus tip comes in. Bonus tip: make your images emotionally intense or even gross. Seriously, you'll remember the heart pumps blood way better if you imagine a heart-shaped water gun splattering blood all over your bedroom mirror. The stronger the emotional or sensory impact, the longer it sticks. That's the real cheat code. Want to study like Sherlock and actually remember what you learn? Try the Memory Palace, and don't forget to weird it up. If this blew your mind, like, subscribe, and comment.